There's a house built out of stone.
Kayla, there are so many things to love about you. You are genuine, loyal, and trustworthy. But my favorite thing about you is your sense of humor. You've always had the ability to light up any room. And tonight you look so stunning.
And I saw him, what he went through with the COVID, and then he was working out in the heat. So I knew he was going to be able to provide for her. And that's all I could ask for, is someone that was going to, be able to provide her and love her as much as she deserved to be loved.
Family and friends, we're here to witness the joyous union of these two precious people, Kayla Corinne Bryce and Chancellor Alan Williams.
At some point in the night, Kayla mentions to me she thinks that guy with the beard is cute. So I decided to take measures into my own hands and I asked him, "Will you go dance with my friend? It's her birthday." They then proceeded to dance the night away and the rest is history.
Thank you for loving Kayla the way she deserves. It's easy to see how in love you two are tonight, and I'm honored to call you both my best friends.
Now, we've had some great times, but he's also helped me through the hardest year of my life. If I didn't have people like Chance and Kayla in my life to help me get me through those hard times, there's no telling where I would be.
I remember coming home from work one day, and I was absolutely filthy. And here she comes crawling over to me, a little closer, a little closer, a little closer. And I'm like, "Come here, girl." Man, she was all up in my lap. Couldn't care less if she got dirty or not. And then you wake up and she's in grade school. Next day you wake up and she's in high school. Next day you wake up, she's in college. It just happens that fast.
The ring is made of refined metals that have been passed through fires and testings to bring it to its present state of purity. So may the trial and testing that you will experience as husband and wife refine and purify the love that you have for one another. I'm proud of you both. I love you both. I think you have a lot of love to give, and off you go.